Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp in white sauce. First, let's get organized. You'll need about 1 pound of shrimp, 4 tablespoons of butter, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Make sure your shrimp are peeled, deveined, and thoroughly patted dry. This helps them cook beautifully. Having all your ingredients measured and ready before you start makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet over medium heat until it's shimmering. Add your prepared shrimp in a single layer and cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You'll know they're done when they turn a lovely pink color and become opaque. Be careful not to overcook them, as they can become tough. With the shrimp set aside, it's time to create that luscious white sauce. In the same skillet, add the remaining 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking until fragrant. Then, pour in 1 cup of heavy cream, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Season with a half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper for perfect flavor. Almost done, carefully return your perfectly cooked shrimp to the skillet with the simmering white sauce. Gently toss everything together, ensuring each piece of shrimp is beautifully coated in that rich, creamy goodness. Serve this delightful dish immediately over your favorite pasta, fluffy rice, or alongside some warm, crusty bread for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.